everyone, this is week 10. Here's our review starting with math. I don't actually know what song the squares are sung to, so we're skipping any kind of motion, and here is just the music. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225. For Latin, we're on the 4th declension, which is the same as from week 9, and will be again the same for week 21 and 22. For the 4th declension, the first one begins with the us, like in plus, so we're making a very odd one-handed plus shape by flipping my finger over like this, so that helps us remember that it's us, us, ooey, like gooey, ooey, ooh, like we're playing a tuba, ooh, us, oos, ooey, ooh, us, oos, ooey, ooh. Singular for declension, other hand for plural. We have oos, like moose, like we're clearing our voice, like ibis, driving a bus, oos, same as before, ibis, us, ibis, ibis, no, oos, ibis, oos, I said it wrong before, oos, ibis, oos, ibis, that one was right. Plural for declension, so you guys will have to pay attention to the first and third, not the middle one, because I think I said it wrong then. Okay, so science, we did what are some leaf shapes? Some leaf shapes are lineal, oval, lobed, cleft, scale-like, needle-like. Oh, what are some leaf shapes? Some leaf shapes are linear, oval, lobed, cleft, scale-like, needle-like. And for English, we have 4 prepositions that we're continuing on in our song. We're getting so close to the end. We're doing through, like you're swimming through water, throughout, so it's the double one, and with the pointing out. To, you're pointing forward, not like to infinity, but just to like forward. And then toward, you keep your hand out and step towards whatever thing you're pointing at. Okay, so that's the 4 motions. And for history, we are doing tell me about Japan's Heian period. Around 794, Japan's emperors moved to Heian, present-day Kyoto. This is K for Kyoto. The Heian period ended in the 12th century, when civil war gave control to military commanders called, here's our sword, shoguns, in a feudal system where knights called samurai protected wealthy landowners. Geography also has so many similar things as well. It ties into week 9 as well. So the whole song goes, it's the tune of Bring Honor to Us All from Mulan. So this is China and Japan, Beijing, Mongolia, Yellow Yangtze, rivers flow to the Yellow Sea, now the island of Japan. Tokyo on top, Kyoto, and Mount Fuji in between, and the Sea of Japan. And the Pacific Ocean, which we mentioned in class, is actually on both sides because it's really a globe. Then timeline, we have Japan's Heian period. You notice that's like the feudal system that we already mentioned before. And then Charlemagne, here's our crowned emperor. And we're saying E like a sash of Europe. Alfred the Great of England, like you're shaking hands in an awkward way. Eric the Red, like lipstick. And Leif Erikson, the sun. Norse explorers. Vladimir the First, gotta shake it, of Kiev, here's our K. Byzantine, here's a sash, emperor. Basil the Second, gotta shake it just like for the first, right? East-West schism of the church. There you have it, that's all of week 10.